Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to knit Irish moss stitch. First, cast on an even number of stitches. This stitch uses a simple 4-row repeat, making it easy to remember. We'll start by setting up our first row, which is crucial for establishing the pattern. Get your needles and yarn ready, and let's dive into creating this beautiful texture together. It's a fantastic stitch for blankets or scarves. For row 1, you'll knit 1 stitch, then purl 1 stitch, repeating this sequence all the way to the end of the row. Turn your work. Now, for row 2, you'll do the opposite. Purl 1 stitch, then knit 1 stitch, repeating this pattern until you reach the end. These first 2 rows establish the initial texture of your Irish moss stitch. Keep your tension even for the best results. Moving on to row 3, you'll start with a purl 1, followed by a knit 1, repeating this sequence across the entire row. Turn your work. For row 4, you'll knit 1, then purl 1, repeating this pattern until the end. These 4 rows complete 1 full repeat of the Irish moss stitch. You'll notice the beautiful, distinct texture starting to emerge. To continue your project, simply repeat rows 1 through 4 until your knitted piece reaches the length you desire. Once you're happy with the size, it's time to bind off your stitches. Make sure to bind off loosely so your finished item retains its elasticity and beautiful texture. This stitch is perfect for scarves, blankets, or even dishcloths. Remember to check the description for a link to *The Simple Path to Wealth* and other great deals. It's a fantastic resource for financial wisdom.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.